Alright, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $209.16 worth of goods. And it was all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $33.21. And yes, as always, that total includes the tax. Got to keep it real on my coupon boast here, real accurate. So this is for the week of February 3rd to February 9th. Or February 2nd to February 8th. I'm in the south part of Florida, so my sale starts Thursday and ends Wednesday. All other places, it starts on Wednesday and ends Tuesday. So today is the first day of the sale. It is Thursday, February 3rd, and I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals the rest of the weeks. So most of these deals should be around all week. So let's get right into the 17 best deals of the week, I thought. So let's get right into it. And of course, some of these deals I did before, and of course I had to do them again because they came back in Ibotta and Checkout 51, including this royal rice once again. Here it is. So you buy 6 of them, and they cost $13.14 for 6 of them, and I used $2 off a 3 manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 16th, and that took $4 off. And then Ibotta has 5 $1.25 off of these Smoky Harassa and Mexican style, and maybe there's one other one. You get $1.25 off each bag, limit of 5. And then I had one of these, so I got 75 cents back from Ibotta for that. And Checkout 51 had $1 off of every 2, and that gave me $3 off because I got 6. So in total, I paid only 10 cents for all of those. Last week it was better because they were on sale. This week they're not. It's regular price, but can't beat that deal. Mountain Dew Rise. This came back in my Publix digital coupon, so I did it again. Last week they were on sale, so I did a little better. I was able to get 2 and use a rebate and get 2 for free. But this week I got 1 of them, and it was $3, and with tax came to $3.23. The digital coupon took off $3, and then I submitted to Fetch, and it gave me 1,500 points. So that's, I guess, equivalent to about $1.40. I'm new to Fetch, so I don't really know. So about $1.17 overage on that Mountain Dew Rise. Nature's Bounty Melatonin Quick Dissolve. So this one, always check the clearance rack. I mean, I love the clearance rack because, as I said, they usually just put stuff on half price, and you're still allowed to use the coupons. And sometimes they even include the sale price. But anyways, this is a $3 off coupon from the New Year savings book. I also have the link to print that coupon if you can't find that in your store. They don't have these booklets in your store. I've got the link to print that. And then there is a digital coupon for $1 off. So I use that $3 off store coupon. I use the $1 off digital coupon, making that $4 off that $3.99, making that a 1 cent overage. And the regular price for that is $7.99, so that was a good deal. Mederma Scar Cream. So that is $19.99. It's on sale for $16.99. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Save January 16th that takes $8 off. Expires the 13th, so we got some time on that if I read that correctly. Ibotta had $6 back. I did that last week and it came back, so I did it again. So $6 back from Ibotta, $8 from the manufacturer coupon, $16.99 sale price, made that only $2.99. And yes, of course, I was working up to my $50 gas card. If you know me, I've gotten so much stuff, so I broke it up into 2 transactions. So instead of getting $10 off my grocery bill, I got $20 off my grocery bill. So if you're buying, so much stuff, break it up into 2 transactions like I did, and you'll save even more. Airwick. Man, 2-pack of these guys. There's a new manufacturer coupon in the Smart Source January 30th, so I used 2 of those. And also clip your digital coupon for $1.75 off Airwick, because when I bought both of these. For some reason, I guess it doesn't recognize that, because their cashier is entering in just an amount. So it also took off that digital coupon. I did my digital coupons at the end this time, and it took that $1.75 off as well. And these guys are already $2.79 with tax. They come to $3 each, so $6. Had my cashier rung them in as $2.79 off and $2.79 off, and then of course the Airwick Publix digital coupon came off of $1.75, made that $1.33 overage on those guys. Keep it going here. Chex Mix Bars, not in everybody's Publix digital coupon, but it was in my account, and it's for a free box. So if you're lucky enough to find that in there, the regular price for this is $3.89. Go to the register, enter in your phone number of the digital coupon. It took $3.89 off, made that a free box. Mountain Dew Spark. All right, here we go. Mountain Dew Spark. Actually, this was the one that had the fetch reward on, not that guy. Sorry. So switched it around. But Mountain Dew Spark, another Publix digital coupon for a free item. So this is $2.19 with tax, comes to $2.35. $2.19 is taken off. And as I said, well, I said it for this one, but it actually was for this one. There's 1,500, so it's like $1.40 for the fetch rewards. So that takes a good chunk off there of that one. That was my calculation on that one. But so this either one of these is you're just gonna be paying the tax, which would be 23 cents or 15 cents, depending on which one you buy. And of course, fetch will figure it in and give you $1.40. For those, or 1,500 points, which is equivalent to $1.40. All right, we gotta love the Tena pads. So, when they just put out a coupon every week, all the time, they just want to give these away. So I'm gonna take them. Actually, they're gonna pay me to take them because I bought 6 of them. They're $5.39 each with tax, come to $34.77, and you can use 6 of these. I use 6 of these, $5 off of 2 manufacturer printable. I got the link, as always, in a detailed breakdown below. I won't leave you hanging. You can print all these coupons, and you can look at my breakdown to figure everything out. Any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll help you out there. Also, in the January 30th Smart Source, there's a $5 off of 2. If you don't want to print them, you can do that. Or if you don't get the Smart Source, you can print them. There's also a $4 off of 2 from the New Year savings book. I got the link to print that, as I said, if you can't find that in your store. So I bought 6 of them, as you can see. So 6 of them cost me $34.77. Real easy to get up to 50 when you're buying those. And I used 3 of these, $5 off of 2, so that took 15 off. I used 3 of these, $4 off of 2, that took 12 off. Coupons.com app has $5 off of 2 as well. So I got $5 off of that. And then there is an activate rebate that gives you $10 back when you spend. So obviously I haven't gotten that. Confident I will get that. I have the link for that rebate below. So that gives you another $10 off, making those pads a $7.23 overage moneymaker. Keep going, and man, I couldn't believe I found these on clearance for this price. So the regular price for these guys are $8.99 each, and as you can see, I bought 6 of them. So 6 of them would cost, oh, where is my list here? So $8.99, and as you can see, as I said, when they go on clearance, they go half price. If they don't sell at half price, they half them again, or maybe they were BOGO and they half priced them. I don't know when they put them on clearance. But the regular price for these, as I said, are $8.99 with tax. For 6 of them, costs $57.99. However, as I said, as you see, they're $2.25 each. So a great deal on those. And I used 2 of these because there's a limit of 2 on those. And I have a Publix digital coupon, so I was able to get 6 of them. And that's $5 off of 2. And so that gave me, so I spent $14.51. So they're $2.25 times 6 is $14.51. I used 2 of these. I got $10 off of that. My Publix digital coupon gave me another $5 off, so that's 15 off. That's already a moneymaker. And then I submitted to Stocking Spree and it's about $14.51. So it's equivalent to about $2.40 back from Stocking Spree. Haven't got that, but I'm almost to 50 already from other stuff I bought during the week. I bought some of these early in the week, and they even took $1 off when I bought them. So great deal on those check the clearance rack. Hopefully you can get lucky and find those. Don't get mad at me if you can't do this deal. But that's what I did. It was $2.99, 91-cent overage for those guys right there. Keep going. These OxyClean are $6.99 each. So for two of them, they come to $15.03. However, they're BOGO, so they come to $7.52. And there is a Swag Bucks, gives you $600, 600 points back, which is equivalent to $6. So basically getting $6 back from Swag Bucks, paying $7.51. Those only cost you $1.51. And once again, everything helps you add up to get your $10 off total. I should have that $10 off coupon. That's through Sunday, so you got to do these. You do your hauls this weekend or Friday. So keep going. Galbani mozzarella chunk. These are regularly priced, as you can see, is $3.59. So for two of them, would cost $7.18. However, they're on sale 2 for $5, so $2.50 each. And from the Smart Source January 16th, there's a $2 off, 8 ounce of mozzarella chunk, making those only 50 cents each, or $1. Knorr sides, so these are $1.35 each, right there. And I got 4 of them, as you can see, so that would come to $5.40. And from the Extra Savings book, which is this one, and it's usually on the coupon carousel at the beginning of this front of the store. This one had a $1 off of 2. And then Unilever, I'm signed up for their email, and they mailed me a $1 off of 2 coupon. Unfortunately, you've got to join their email list, and they'll send out the coupons, and they'll say get coupon. Whenever they send it, they usually send it with a coupon. Sometimes $1 off of 4, sometimes $1 off of 2. I've even seen, I guess, $1.50 off of 2. Mine was $1 off of 2, and so I used 2 of those $1 off of 2. I used 2 of those $1 off of 2 Extra Savings store coupons, and when I paid my $5.40, I got 2 off and 2 off, so it cost me. And then I submitted to Fetch. I'm still new with Fetch. I think it was about $1 I got back from Fetch for those, so it cost me about 40 cents for those for Preparation H cooling spray. And hopefully you watch my channel and you see that I did a little short on these. Oh, I forgot the store coupon for that. But anyways, these are $6.99. There is a store coupon from the Extra Savings book. Look, I caught that. Extra Savings book takes $2 off. Can't really find. It's in here somewhere. You know what? I know where it is. It's on that back page, right there. So that takes $2 off, and Ibotta has $2 off, and you have a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. So $6.99 minus $2 minus $2 minus $2 comes to 99 cents for that cooling spray right there. So great deal on that. Keep going. Advil Infant, where are you? Right there. $5.39 for this guy. There is a manufacturer coupon, and also from the Save January 30th, there is $3 off. You have only 1 week to use it till February 6th, so hurry up on that. So I bought that. I used this coupon, maybe a Publix digital coupon, and then coupons.com has $3 back. So using the coupons.com, it does say don't use other coupons, but I think almost every coupon says that. But, when you're buying this much stuff, how can they decipher you used that coupon for that item? It just says vendor coupon. So I don't know. So make your own choice on that. But I got $3 back from coupons.com, $5.39 spent, $3 back from the manufacturer coupon, $3 from coupons.com, as I said, making that a 61-cent overage on that. Glade plugin. Here we go. There's a manufacturer coupon for a free one of those from the January 23rd Smart Source. So they're $1.99, $2.14 with tax. They took $1.99, cost only 15 cents for that. Everything I used to build up with that. Keep going. One of my last deals here. I can't even see it. SuperPretzel. SuperPretzel is regular price $3.69. It is on sale for $3. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon right there, or you can use from the, where is it from? Oh, I have it below. I believe it's the Save from January 16th, I want to say. It takes $1 off of that. You can use either one of those. And coupons.com as well also has $1 back, and Ibotta has $1 back, making that 0. And my last deal here, Centrum. I found another one of these on the clearance rack, so I had to buy it. Any Centrum item you can find for $5 or less, you're going to make money, even if it's less than $6. You're going to pay almost nothing, because let me show you how you do it. You may have a digital coupon for $4 off. I've used mine, so I no longer have it. But there is a $2 off any Caltrate or Centrum item. And then Ibotta has $3 back. So spending $4.37 for this guy, no tax on that. These are regularly like $13.99. So $4.37. I don't know where they came up with that price, but I'll pay it. So $2 from the Centrum Caltrate digital coupon took off, and then Ibotta, as I said, has $3 back. So spending $4.37, getting 2 off the digital coupon, $3 back from Ibotta, making that 63-cent overage. And once again, as I said, I broke it up into 2 transactions, so I've got 2 gift cards, and that took another $10 off and $10 off, another $20 off my total purchase, and all said and done, had a $33.21 overage. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right here. I'm going to try to post some shorts here, as well as check out my other paid shop videos. Once again, 52 weeks a year, and you can check my track record every time I've left the store with overage. And lately I've been doing pretty good. I've had $20 or $30 overages with about $200 worth of goods. So, you know, it's beginning of the year, some vitamins, a lot of clearance stuff. So everybody enjoy their couponing this week. Let me know in the comments what you guys find.